In today's video, you'll learn the 6 best at-home exercises for seniors, including the benefits of exercise for older adults. Both nutrition and exercise must be incorporated into one's routine to live and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Research illustrates how important regular exercise is for seniors and how more the elderly are choosing an active lifestyle over a sedentary one. Here are the 6 best at-home exercises for seniors. Water aerobics. Exercising in the water is beneficial for those with arthritis and other forms of joint pain because the water's buoyancy reduces joint stress. Water also brings natural resistance, eliminating the need for weights and strength training. It improves your strength, flexibility, and balance with minimal stress on your body. Great water aerobics exercises for seniors include leg lifts, flutter kicking, aqua jogging, arm curls, and standing water push-ups. Chair yoga. Chair yoga, like water aerobics, is a low-impact exercise that enhances muscle strength, mobility, balance, and flexibility, which are all important health concerns for seniors. Chair yoga is a simple kind of yoga that puts less strain on the muscles, joints, and bones than traditional yoga. Did you know that chair yoga has been demonstrated to benefit seniors' mental health? Regular chair yoga practitioners report better sleep quality, fewer cases of depression, and a general sense of well-being. Here are some excellent chair yoga exercises for seniors. Seated cat stretch, seated cow stretch, overhead stretch, seated twist, seated mountain pose. Resistance band workouts. Resistance band workouts are perfect for at-home fitness and are becoming increasingly popular among seniors due to the comparatively low upfront expenses of equipment. These exercises are also great for strengthening your core, which helps with posture, mobility, and balance. Resistance bands are flexible rubber strips that increase resistance to workouts while reducing body tension. They are also user-friendly and accessible for beginners. Resistance band workouts for seniors include bicep curl, lateral raise, band pull apart, triceps press, leg press. Enjoying the video? Then give a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Pilates. This popular low-impact exercise has been around for over a century. In older adults, it has been found to improve balance, develop core strength, and promote flexibility. Breathing, alignment, focus, and core strength are all stressed in Pilates workouts, which generally use mats, Pilates balls, and other inflated accessories to build strength without the stress of higher impact exercises. Here are some excellent Pilates exercises for seniors. Side circles, mermaid movement, food slides, leg circle, step-ups, body weight workouts. For seniors, muscle loss can be devastating and disabling. Around a third of older adults have significant muscle loss, which can cause hormone abnormalities, poor protein metabolism, and other issues. One of the most effective ways to combat the effects of muscular atrophy in older people is to do body weight workouts. Additionally, one of the main advantages of body weight workouts is their low cost. Body weight workouts require minimal equipment. Most only require workout clothes and a mat to cushion the impact with the floor. Here are some excellent body weight workouts for seniors. Squats to chair, step up, bird dog, lying hip bridges, side-lying circles. Walking. Walking is a low-stress and easily accessible form of exercise. It can be a bigger challenge for some seniors than others, so distance and step goals differ from person to person. For the general population, 10,000 steps per day are advised for a healthy lifestyle. However, those with joint pain or difficulty walking may settle for a smaller number as a goal. According to studies, walking 10,000 steps has been shown to reduce mortality by 46% over a 10-year period. But before you launch into an exercise regimen, it's important to check with a physician to ensure you're healthy enough for exercise and see which exercises are ideal for your current fitness level. If you like the video, then give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, get your free ebook in the description box below, which includes my favorite recipes and natural health tips.